welcome back. It looks like this is the official breakout, the start of our mega upside move on Bonk token, and that would bring us to our next major price target of 0.00013, which is just under 500% away from our current price area. Now this could be one of our most important updates for the Bonk community, especially if this is the market bottom. Now, for those of you that are new to the channel, we gave out several buy entries. We gave out the call under a $50 million market cap on Bonk token. We also gave out calls towards the start of the year. Then we gave out another major buy completely free of charge, all on the YouTube channel at the end of Feb. And then we gave out the final bottom this month. And guess what? If you missed that, it means you're not subscribed to the channel. So please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of these free buy signals, sell signals, and so much more. So subscribe right now. But let's talk about what is likely to happen now. And I want you all to pay close attention to what I'm about to say. Now, there's some good news and some bad news. The good news, well, let's start off with the bad news. The bad news is if we do see Bitcoin make a further move to the downside, then this pump that we're seeing on Bonk token will be short-lived. It means we're likely to see price sell off again. But according to my analysis, we could potentially be looking at a continuation to the upside. We'll speak more about this in the free Telegram group. I'm going to do a full in-depth analysis on what's currently happening with the macro market. So join the free Telegram link below, completely free. Join below if you want to watch that video after this one. But if this is officially the market bottom, we should see that run to the upside. If it's not, we are going to see a further downside move. Now, as I mentioned yesterday, if we do see a further sell-off, we have about a 20% downside move from where we currently are now. Well, in fact, from this price target area, it would be 29%. But from yesterday's analysis, it was around 20%. And they said worst case scenario, price moves about 40%. But as I said quite clearly, it's a risk versus reward opportunity. Is it worth missing out on a potential? And again, we're going to do it from our current price. Is it worth missing out on a potential upside move of 400% from our current price area because we're afraid price could go down maybe 30 or from where we are now it would be a 45% downside move? Me personally, as I said, I could stomach that kind of a drawdown, which is why I would still be buying. And as you can see, price is moving to the upside. And in fact, this isn't unique to Bonk token. All meme coins are moving aggressively to the upside today. You can see coins like Pepe up almost 20%, Dog with Hat up 14.6%, Bonk token up 13.6%, right? So as I said, although meme coins are usually hit the hardest when the market sells off, when the market bounces back, they are usually some of the biggest percentage gainers. Now, enough about that. Let's talk about what is likely to happen next, provided we see the upside move for Bitcoin and the overall altcoin market. Now, here's the good news. Short term, I have 50% move. That brings us back into this area of resistance. This is where we saw price actually sell off, right? So after we hit a peak at the start of March, price sold off, recovered, and then found almost a new structure area here. I think that's the area where we could, move into short term. And I do think this is going to be a short term move. So I want to make it clear to you, all of the moves that I'm expecting now, I think could happen within the next week or 2 weeks, right? So please write this down. Short term move is a move back up to this area of resistance. So that's 0.00037. That's 50%. Then we go above our all-time highs for Bonk token at 0.00047. And that would be a 97% move from where we currently are now. In fact, let me move this up a tiny bit. It's about 95%. Obviously, the market is going up in real time, so this is going to change quite rapidly. As those of you know, if you've been watching my videos, you can see how much the potential gains have diminished as the market goes up and up, right? And hopefully next time we're updating when we're at our next target, which is 50% away. But back to our all-time highs is about 95%. And then once we break above this area, that is going to be around 400 percentage point move, right? Just above 400%. Now that's not bad. And for those of you that think that this move will not happen in the short term, I want to remind you all that Bonk token achieved, at the start of the year, moves. In fact, let me just show you to avoid, the speculation. Let's talk about Bonk token right at the start of the end of Feb when I gave out that bottom call. Price went up 336%. This was between the 24th of Feb to the 4th of Feb. That's how quickly price could move. And that was a 336 percentage point move from the 24th of February to the 4th of March. That's how quickly price could move. So for all of you that seem to think that this move will take a while and it will be a long time, I do want to remind you how quickly things progress, especially with memecoin. So get ready for a parabolic move. That's what I think is happening next. And I think we are going to see an arms race for the top 3 market cap project, and that is between Bonk token, Dog with Hat, and Pepe. I think Floki's out of the race, although the market cap value is very close to Bonk token. Bonk token, could end up being flipped by Floki again. However, I don't think that's going to be the case. I think next we flip Dog with Hat and then we flip Pepe, and hopefully we regain our top 3 rank before the end of this month. We're going to have to wait and see. And from a final conclusion, why am I so bullish on Bonk token? Why am I so bullish on meme coins? Because I'm expecting this narrative to become extremely overvalued before the end of the quarter, which is the end of June. I'm expecting us to surpass $100 billion market cap. Right now, we're at 48.8 billion. I think we double in value. And it's not unrealistic to say that once this doubles in value, we could potentially see Bonk around a $7 to $9 billion market cap. Let's see what happens. But this is going to be a very exciting next few weeks. If you're still watching this video, make sure you have subscribed. And don't forget, we're going to get more in depth in regards to the market. And I'm going to also reveal completely free of charge in that free Telegram group when I will be selling my Bonk token. I'm going to be calling the top live in the free Telegram group below. So join us for that update, and we're going to have another major update in that group right now. So I'll see you all there. Until next update, guys, seize the day.